The key problem during predictive parsing is that of determining the production to be applied for a non-terminal. It is possible to build a non-recursive predictive parser by maintaining a stack explicitly rather than using recursive calls. The non-recursive parser looks up the production to be applied in the parsing table and perform parsing. The parsing process uses the following components. First component is a buffer which stores the input string or the token sequence to be compared or parsed. It is delimited by a dollar symbol. So dollar symbol is used to indicate the end of input string. It also uses a stack which is initialized with dollar if the stack is empty. It uses a parsing table, and this parsing table is a 2D array, and the information stored inside the parsing table will help in parsing process. The whole process is controlled by a driver or a parser program. This parser program, based on the information from stack and the input buffer and the parsing table, will perform parsing. Construction of LL1 parsing table. The information stored inside the LL1 parsing table is used by the parser program for performing parsing. And for constructing the LL parsing table, certain rules you need to remember. For every production of the form A giving omega, do the following. First, you need to find the first of RHS, that is first of omega. And for every element A inside first of omega, where A is not equal to epsilon. So here it is represented as lambda. Put the production A giving omega into the parsing table entry T of A comma A. Second one, if epsilon or lambda is an element of first of omega, then for every A element follow of A, you need to put the production A giving omega into the parsing table entry T of A comma A. You can see how to construct the LL1 parsing table with the help of an example. The given grammar contains 5 productions, and those 5 productions are numbered from 1 to 5 for reasoners. Consider the production number 1. Here you need to find the first of RHS, and first of RHS is first of ASB. First of ASB is small letter A. If this is the case, then make an entry into the parsing table with the production number 1 corresponding to the cell capital letter S and an element in first of ASB, which is small letter A. So capital letter S and small letter A. That is for the table entry T of S comma A. You need to enter the first production, which is S giving ASB. Coming to the second production, S giving C. Find the first of RHS, that is first of C. First of C is C comma epsilon or lambda. If this is the case, that is if first contains epsilon as one of its element, then go for finding the follow of LHS. That is the follow of here LHS is containing the variable S. And follow of S is B comma dollar. Then make the entry into the parsing table with the production number 2 corresponding to the cells S comma small letter C, S comma small letter B and S comma dollar. So you can see the table that S comma B, that is the cell corresponding to capital letter S and B, capital letter S and C, capital letter S and dollar is containing the entry with the production number 2. Take the third production, A giving A. And first of RHS is first of A and first of A is A only. It doesn't contain epsilon as one of its element. Then you can stop finding further operations for this particular production and make an entry of this production into the parsing table. And which cell you should make an entry? The cell corresponding is capital letter A, comma, small letter a. That is, you make the entry into the parsing table with the production number 3 corresponding to the cell capital letter A, comma, small letter a. Take the fourth production. C giving small letter c, capital letter C. Go for finding first of RHS. And first of RHS is first of C. Again, this first of RHS does not contain epsilon. So you can stop performing further operations here and make an entry into the LLL parsing table with production number 4 corresponding to the cells C, comma, small letter c. So C, comma, C will be having the entry with the production number 4. Take the production number 5, that is C giving epsilon or lambda. Here we can see that first of RHS is first of epsilon and first of epsilon is epsilon. So here first of RHS contains epsilon as one of its element. If this is the case, go for finding follow of LHS. And follow of LHS here is follow of C. And follow of C is B, comma, dollar. If this is the case, make an entry into the parsing table with production number 5 corresponding to the cells C, comma, small letter b and C, comma, dollar. Thus we have completed constructing the parsing table.